Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil and today I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem when you're going to view any files from WinRAR. Maybe someone is going to change the settings of the WinRAR so you cannot view the files inside the WinRAR. So how you can fix that? So when you click at your file, so as example here, I have this .jpg and I want to view this. So I'm going to see this while I'm going to view this. So how we can fix this? First, you have to click on close and you need to click on the options on the top with WinRAR and you need to click on settings. The shortcut for WinRAR settings is Ctrl plus S, so I'm going to click at that. So here we have different tabs, so you have to click on the viewer tab, and here we have different options for viewer type. We have this internal viewer, external, so let's try to change that to external viewer and click on OK. So now let's try to open this. Again, we cannot view this. We are receiving the same error. Let's try to change this viewer type to this ask. I'm not going to select this associated program because it's going to be the correct viewer type option that is going to open this file right here, which is .jpg. So now let's try to open this again. As you can see, select viewer type. So now I can select this external, internal. So let's try to use this internal viewer. So I'm going to change this to associated program and click on OK. So let's try to double click. So now I can view this. So now I can view this image or any file. Maybe you are going to not allow anyone to view your files inside WinRAR. So this is the technique that you can do. But let's try to open it with different. Here I'm going to change some more settings and I want to view this right here. So we have the second method here under settings, which we have it under security type. So we have this file types to exclude from extraction. So first, you're not going to view your file, and second, you cannot extract. So here you need to add this asterisk sample.jpg. So with this formats, no one's actually cannot view or extract. So I'm going to just hit OK and double click on this. So as you can see, I cannot view this. So this is the second method that you can fix this problem as well. If you're going to see this kind of problem or error with WinRAR, so you need to go to this settings and go to this security tab, and here you need to remove this, or you need to uncheck this file types to exclude from extracting. So now I'm going to just hit OK. So now I can extract and also I can view this. So I'm going to double click at this so I can view this. So this is how we can change some settings for viewing something from the WinRAR, and also change the settings of extract as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned how to change the settings and how to solve this kind of problem with WinRAR. Maybe you're going to need this for yourself and you don't want anyone to extract or view your file when you're going to give your files to that person. So this is how you can do that. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.